Well, this is difficult. I have a 2014 Dodge Caravan, and right in here, this cable broke about right there, and then this was all egg shaped, and so it wouldn't come out. So you just take out these 3 nuts off of here, and right there, and you look underneath the dash. There's one, and up there is 2, and the third one is right there. So when I took this off, then I was able to use a couple tools like this and spin this. So I'll take these tools out now, and just to show you, there's not really much on the internet here, but I put the new front brake cable through this hole. It was very easy, and clipped it in here after taking the old one off. But what was challenging was getting this to loop in this notch and set down in there, and then to get it connected down below. And so it goes through the cab and comes out right here and runs along. There's 2 clips that holds it up, and then it goes through this hole and connects in here. And so what I did in order to get this connected was I put a vice grip there just to get ready, and I didn't have this connected yet. And if you're if you're familiar with these, they just fit right through here, and you can see I had to have a little bit more length in order for this to slide in this hole and pop in there. And so I've lost the tension. But once I got these 3 nuts off and took it out here, it really wasn't that difficult to just work with these different tools and move this around like this, and then get a screwdriver in here to hold it. And I just asked my wife to help me, and made a good team. I noticed the other thing on the internet, that there was very little for videos of this. It was somebody who had found that he could put a screwdriver in here to release this and actually get this gear right here to freewheel, and that's what that is connected to. But I was able to just pry on it like this, and then take my other hand and hold this, and then have my wife hold it while I went in there with my vice grips and clamped it, and that way she didn't have to continue to hold it, and then it went through very easily. Well, hope this video helps. Again, 2014 Dodge Caravan is what we're working on.